Today class is about visual description. Don't get panic. This is called as visual. If you get these kind of visual, how you going to represent in your verbal, that is your content. So modern communication relies partially on picture, photograph, caricatures, cartoon, etc. So if you get an image, how will you convert into content? That is called as visual description. One picture is equal to 100 words of explanation. That is, what cannot be explained or described in 100 words can be explained or described in just one picture. The simplest visual description uses ordinary words to convey what the writer sees. First, he or she must look at the subject slowly, carefully, and repeatedly, if possible, to identify the part that make the whole. So, you have to watch the visual one or two times. You have to get an idea. You have to watch very carefully. How do I write a visual description? That will be a question in your mind. Image description should start with the words image description. We have to start with image description to indicate what is especially for those using screen readers, so that automatically the screen readers will be coming into your mind. Image description need to be first comment to a picture. If you're adding a description to a picture that already has comments, just use to return the key to add few or more spaces. So the students are advised to try to understand the message or information passed on visual. How introduction? How do I introduce? You have to say it is a photo or it is a picture. Like that you have to intro. What is there in the foreground, background? You can see in the foreground, background that it is. If for example, if you view a cricket ground, you have to mention it is a picture of a cricket ground. There are the players. At the background you can see a lake or Taj Mahal, whatever it is. You have to mention. That is called as background and foreground. What is doing what? Here you describe the persons in the picture, or you say what is happening just now. You can say what are the persons are doing while they are bowling or batting, like etc. You have to mention the person, what they are doing, what I think about the picture. So as soon as you got the picture, what you think, it can be go into your childhood memories, it can be think your past. So you have to describe in picture. What are some words for beautiful? Beautiful. If you say it is a beautiful picture, instead of using the word beautiful repeatedly, you can use alluring, cute, dazzling, fascinating, fine, graceful, magnificent, marvelous. These are the related words for the beautiful. Thank you. So if you get a visual description, just imagine these points and try to examine very well. Thank you.